Welcome! In this lesson we are going to explore how to organize and present information in a structured format using tables and lists. It is helpful for creating a schedule, budget, or a list of contact information. Tables and lists are powerful tools that can help you keep your information organized and easy to read. Let's start with tables. A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns, similar to a spreadsheet. Word allows you to create tables of various sizes and formats to suit your needs. To insert a table, click on the Insert tab on the ribbon. Then select Table from the Tables group. You can then choose to insert a table of a specific size or draw a custom table using the Draw Table tool. I will select the table with 3 columns and 5 rows. Now I click OK. Once you've inserted a table, you can add content to it by clicking in a cell and typing. Let's type here name, surname, and sales. You can also format the table by adjusting the size of rows and columns, changing the border style and color, and applying shading to cells. For this, you have to go to Table Styles. After that, choose a required style of your table. I will choose this one and click OK. Now you can see that my table has a perfect style. Word provides a variety of formatting options to help you customize your table to fit your document's design. The first row I want to center. For this, I have to select this row by clicking opposite the row. I am selecting it. After that, go to Home and center it. Now my header is centered. After that, I will type here some name. The first name, let it be Christian. For moving to the second line, I have to press down arrow on my keyboard. The second name, Peter. The third, Michael. Clark. And Layla, for example. Oh, I'm sorry, I do not have so much rows. Okay, the same I'm going to do with surname and sales. Smith, Johnson, Williams, and Brown. Popular surname. And I will type here also some sales, 250, 300, 500, and 600. And now, what if I want to add some numbers? I'm going to center it by selecting and choose center, or just simply pressing Ctrl E. I do not want that it will be bold, then I will unbold it. Perfect. Lists are another useful way to organize information in Word. There are 2 main types of lists: bulleted lists and numbered lists. Bulleted lists are used to present items in no particular order, while numbered lists are used to present items in a specific sequence. For showing you how to create a bulleted list, I will copy the names by selecting it, right-click on my button, copy, insert it as a text, and now to create a bulleted list, click on the Bullets button in the Paragraph group on the Home tab of the ribbon. For this, I have to select my list, go to Paragraph tab, and choose here Bullets. And Word will automatically format each item with a bullet point. To create a numbered list, click on the Numbering button. Let's select the text. in the paragraph group, up here, numbering button, then start typing your list, and Word will automatically number each item in the list sequentially. Perfect. But what if I want to add some numbers up here in my presented chart? How to do this? I can again select the list I want to be numbered. After that, go to Numbering again and click on it. Now I have it. But what if I do not want that these numbers would be presented in one column? What if I want them to be presented in separate column, for example, in the first one? Then for this I have to add extra column in the chart. For this I have to go to Insert tab, click on Table, Draw Table. Now I can see that such pencil appeared. And now I will draw extra line from the up row, dragging it down to the last row. Now I have the first column with numbers. For removing the pencil, and if I do not want to make any changes anymore, I have to press Escape button on my keyboard and my mouse is the same as it usually is. Good. Now I would like to give a name to this column, let it be number, and my chart has such a view. I also will make it unbold, like this. Good. But what if I want to add some extra row in my table? How to do this? For this, I have to click on the last row in my table and click on Tab button on my keyboard, and extra row will appear. Or another way, I can put my mouse up here and click on plus, and the required number of rows will be added. So now I have numbered list. And what if I do not need this list to be numbered? How to undo these changes? I have to select required range. After that, click on Numbering again, and my list will be without numbers. In addition to bulleted and numbered lists, Word also allows you to create multi-level lists, where each level of the list has a different format or style. This can be useful for creating outlines or hierarchical lists. For creating a multi-level list, you have to select required list. After that, go to Multi-level and choose here required library. I will choose this one. After that, for example, if I want that the second, third and fourth name will be multi-leveled, then I have to select them, and after that go up here in Increase Indent. To move your paragraph farther away from the margin, click on it. You can see. And for example, I want that Michael and Clark will be also on the next level. I have to select them again and again go to Increase Indent. Click on it. This instrument is very useful for creating some schedules, contents, or anything else you need to be multi-leveled. Perfect! By using tables and lists effectively, you can organize your information in a clear and structured manner, making it easier for your audience to understand and follow. In the next lesson, we'll explore collaboration and reviewing tools in Word, which allow multiple users to work on the same document simultaneously and provide feedback and suggestions. Whether you are working on a team project or seeking input from colleagues, these tools will help streamline your workflow and improve productivity. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.